This exercise is your overhead catch and throw with medial wedging. Now it's an exercise that we use to strengthen the perineal muscles, which are the muscles on the outside of your ankle, and they're really important for things like preventing ankle rolls and ankle sprains. Now the exercise itself is actually fairly simple. What you need is a wedge on the floor. If you don't have a wedge, you can use a weight plate or even a book to put on the inside of your foot so that your foot's on an angle facing inwards. So to set up this exercise, you want your wedge on the floor facing towards the wall so that when you step onto the wedge like so, your ankle is turning inwards slightly. Once your foot's on the wedge, you want to find single leg balance, get the ball, hold it up above your head and throw and catch against the wall. Now, as you can see here, I'm using a Swiss ball, but realistically any ball is appropriate for this exercise. And that is your overhead catch and throw with medial wedging.